Cisco the fire escape guy. Is this fire escape safe? Let's take a look. You want to know what material loss looks like? That's what material loss looks like. And what's that mean? That if you let water pool up and you throw salt in the winter on top of these treads will start rotting all the way through. And every one of these treads has material loss because of people just not having the decency to make sure that they do not use salt a lot on these metal products or keep them painted, because you have to have a lot more paint jobs on fire escapes that are diamond plate. So what are you going to do? If you have something similar to this on one of your buildings, take a picture, send it to the landlord, send it to the management company. Say, the law's very clear. Every 5 years you must inspect and paint your fire escape to keep it from doing this. If they ignore you, call your fire and your building department, send them the same picture and they're going to help you. Otherwise, give us a picture and an address and we'll help you get the right attention on that system, okay? But again, fire escapes that let this rot this much, that's material loss. That's what happens when deterioration comes in and starts eating all your treads. Look what's happening going up this whole thing, all right? Saving lives, one fire escape at a time. Cisco the fire escape guy.